In this video, we listed the 5 best sublimation printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 is a high-performance dye sublimation printer designed for vibrant color output and efficient printing. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, this printer boasts a maximum print speed of 29.00 color pages per minute and is ideal for creating custom designs on various sublimation blanks. The package includes an easy Subli starter ink set, 100 sheets of premium sublimation paper, and 5 design access cards that provide access to thousands of high-quality designs for commercial use. Additionally, it comes with a sample pack of sublimation blanks, multiple rolls of heat-resistant transfer tape, and Creative Studio Online Designer software compatible with Windows 10 and newer or Mac OS 10.9 and newer. With a 2-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime support, the SG500 is a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals in the sublimation printing industry, although users should note that sublimation is not suitable for cotton or dark fabrics and requires a heat press for application. Number 2. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer is a compact and efficient printing device designed for creative individuals and DIY enthusiasts. With connectivity via Wi-Fi and built-in capabilities to work with the Artspira app, users can easily import, save, and create unique designs, accessing over 100 sublimation templates and the option to convert images into stylish poster designs. This printer excels in delivering vibrant color outputs quickly, perfect for customizing clothing and other projects. Its dimensions of 10.8-inch dx 20.1, wx 19.1 make it suitable for various workspaces, while a display screen enhances user interaction. Notably, the SP1 requires a heat press for finishing projects, which is sold separately. Designed for use in the US at 120 volts, this printer is backed by Brother's reputation for reliability and quality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore dye sublimation printing. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET15000. The Epson ET15000 is a versatile, eco-friendly inkjet printer designed for high productivity and cost-efficient printing. This white printer features innovative cartridge-free technology, allowing users to replace ink with refillable bottles, equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges, resulting in significant savings of up to 90% on replacement costs. With a maximum print speed of 9 pages per minute in color and 17 ppm in monochrome, it is suited for both personal and professional use. The printer supports auto-duplex printing and offers a range of paper handling options, including borderless printing up to 11 inches by 17 inches and specialty media capabilities. Additionally, the ET15000 includes features such as an auto-document feeder, a 2.7-inch color touchscreen, and wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet support, allowing for easy printing from smart devices via the Epson Smart Panel app. With up to 2 years' worth of ink included in the box and a commitment to reducing cartridge waste, the ET15000 is an environmentally conscious choice for users seeking reliable and efficient printing solutions. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson ET2800 Black is an innovative inkjet printer designed for cost-effective, high-quality printing, featuring a unique cartridge-free design that allows for significant savings on ink replacement costs, up to 90% compared to traditional cartridges. Each set of refillable EcoFit ink bottles provides the equivalent of approximately 80 cartridges, enabling users to print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color, with up to 2 years of ink included in the box. This printer is equipped with high-capacity ink tanks, facilitating easy and worry-free filling, while reducing cartridge waste that often ends up in landfills. It also features impressive print quality thanks to Epson's Micro Pieto heat-free technology, producing sharp text and vibrant color graphics on various paper types. Additional functionalities include a built-in scanner and copier, modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi and mobile printing capabilities, and support for voice-activated printing. For optimal performance, the printer recommends using genuine Epson ink to avoid potential damage not covered by warranty. With an item weight of 8.8 pounds and a sleek black design, the ET2800 is a practical choice for home and office use. Number 5. Brother MFC J1010DW. The Brother MFC J1010DW is a versatile and compact inkjet all-in-one printer designed for small spaces and budgets, making it an ideal choice for home office, or small office environments. Weighing 16.4 pounds, this printer combines functionality with convenience, offering features such as Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, along with auto-duplex printing and a 20-page automatic document feeder for efficient copying and scanning. Its user-friendly Brother Mobile Connect app allows seamless management of printing, copying, and scanning tasks from a mobile device. With a maximum color print speed of 9.5 pages per minute and monochrome print speed of 17 pages per minute, the printer ensures fast output and can handle a variety of media with its 150-sheet adjustable paper tray, enhancing productivity without compromising on quality.